What happened, Ananya? You haven't been yourself. You seem really sad. Do you want to talk about it? I'm here for you. You can tell me anything.
Nothing, ma'am. Everything is fine, ma'am.
It's okay, dear. You can tell me. Is there anything bothering you? This is a safe place. I'm here for you.
Ma'am, I'm not sure how to tell you this, but I started talking to an unknown person. It was all fine in the beginning. He was nice and friendly. And then after a few days, suddenly things changed. He made me really uncomfortable. Ma'am, he sent me some pictures and I didn't like them. I asked him to stop, but he did not. I really did not know what to do. He wouldn't stop as well. So I blocked him. I thought it was over and then he started again. He started messaging me from all these other accounts. I really did not know what to do anymore.
I understand, Ananya. This is not your fault. You shouldn't blame yourself for this. The right thing will be to tell your parents about it. I'm sure they will understand.
I went home and I told my parents about it. And and the thing that I was afraid of happening, that's what happened. They're yelling at me now. They did not understand. I felt more helpless than I did before.
Why did you message him in the first place, Ananya?
It's all your fault, Ananya. You should be more careful.
From now, I won't let you use your phone anymore, Ananya. All this is spoiling you.
I can't believe you would go ahead and indulge yourself in all this.
We went to school the next day to meet Somya ma'am. She wanted to talk to us.
Stop crying, Ananya. Everything will be fine. You should have told your parents earlier. They always look out for you and want the best for you. Mr. and Mrs. Pandey, I understand that it's a difficult situation for you both and you're worried about her. But we'll have to handle the situation very carefully. I would like you to have this letter that I have written for you.
We went home and we read the letter. It said, Dear parents, I understand this is difficult for you both, and I know that you are worried about her. This is a sensitive issue. We need to approach it with caution. What is most important right now is to understand her situation. Let her know that you both are there for her no matter what. We don't need you to yell at her. She's already very sad. Let's try to patiently handle this situation and stop blaming her. It's not at all her fault. You both are her support system and lifelines, not someone she's afraid of. I know how hard it is for you both, but reacting insensitively have a huge impact on her physical and mental health. Children are very delicate. We need to handle them with love and care. In the end, we all want what is best for her. Sakshi, we mishandled the situation. We should have handled it better. We should talk to Ananya. Ananya, we should have been more supportive. Please don't take us wrong. All we wanted was for you to be safe. We both love you and we care for you.
Signs your child may be dealing with an online harassment. Number 1. He stops using the computer without any explanation. 2. He appears nervous or jumpy when getting an instant message or email. 3. He is uneasy about going out or going to college.
He is angry or depressed after using a laptop. He is secretive about what he is doing on laptop. He is abnormally withdrawn from his family and friends.
If you come across any form of cyberbullying, the first thing is to report the account or group on the social media platform immediately. You can conveniently launch an official complaint against your cyberbullying on National Cybercrime Portal. In case if you are unsure about the procedures and need any form of guidance, you can contact National Cybercrime Helpline number 155260 or Child Helpline number 1098. Save the evidences, record the time, date and description of incidents in the form of screenshots. This will come handy when you report cyberbullying to the nearest police station.
How to deal with such situation as a child? Communication is the key in such situation. We often feel hesitant to talk to our guardians about it.
पापा नहीं मानेंगे।
But we should understand that they just want what is best for us. Talking to them can actually help us resolve our issues at hand.
इसे वापस कर देना। बेटे तुम्हारा वो प्रोफेशनल कैमरा कितने का आएगा? इस लैपटॉप के अगेंस्ट आ जाएगा ना? अगर और पैसे लगे तो मांग लेना बेटा।
How to deal with such situation as a guardian? As a guardian, we should support them as this matter needs to be dealt with utmost care and sensitivity.
Let's hear a poem regarding the mental health of a child when she is suffering from cyberbullying. Tears running down her face, striding through her cheekbones. Slowly, it drips off her chin and she has never felt so alone. What do? What do they say to make her feel so terrible in the words she cannot say? Is it the messages or the calls she gets to make her have so many regrets? They make her feel awful and horrible inside. She hates herself more than anything alive. Thanks to the social media networking and the phones taken advantage of, she wants to be gone from earth and sent straight above. So think about this. The next time you send a message so mean could put a life to an end.